Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC controls. First, you'll need an Android emulator. GameLoop, formerly known as Tencent Gaming Buddy, is the official and recommended choice. Download it from the official GameLoop website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, you can easily find and launch PUBG Mobile directly within the emulator. This setup provides a seamless transition from mobile to desktop gaming. Once PUBG Mobile is running, the emulator provides default keyboard and mouse controls. These are generally well optimized for a smooth experience. However, you can customize them to your liking. Access the key mapping settings within the emulator to adjust mouse sensitivity, reassign keys for movement, shooting, and other actions. Experiment to find a setup that feels most comfortable and gives you a competitive edge. Playing PUBG Mobile on PC offers several distinct advantages. You'll experience the game on a larger monitor with potentially higher graphics settings, enhancing visual clarity. The precision of a mouse for aiming and a keyboard for movement provides much finer control compared to touchscreens. This setup can significantly improve your accuracy and reaction time, giving you a noticeable edge over mobile-only players in intense firefights. To truly master PUBG Mobile on PC, delve into advanced settings. Consider setting up custom keybinds for quick actions such as leaning, peeking, or using consumables, which can shave off crucial milliseconds. Also, fine-tune your in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality with optimal frame rates for the smoothest possible gameplay. Remember, a fluid experience is key to victory. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.